Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a small tip that keep your website safe and professional. Today question: Are you are your external link opening your site to hackers? Sound dramatic? It's not. There is a sneaky vulnerability called reverse tab naming that can hijack your original website tab just because you use target blank without think. In this video, I will show you what reverse tab naming is, how attackers exploit it, and how to permanently fix it on any kind of site. So stick with me because even seasoned developer I also miss this simple fix. So suppose on currently I am on my website, and at here you can see I am using target blank, but there is no opener etc at here, no referrer at here. So whenever we click on this type of link, then it open on other side on like suppose I am clicking on this link, then if this website use this window opener dot location etc, then this javascript function etc at their end, so they can malicious and they can hijack our site. Suppose they use some login URL etc on their site, then they can access our site login etc, and suppose they are using window opener with our login part etc, and at that time we also using login, at that time we also logged in to our site, then they can access all information. So what about relay no follow? I use this relay no follow at here. So it only affect SEO. It does not prevent reverse tab naming. If need, combine relay no opener, no referrer, and no follow. Fix in any website. So for update your HTML template, like if I made this custom, then I must use relay as no opener, no referrer, so that no one can access and audit all link using target blank. So for that I made one snippet in JavaScript, and before that suppose I want to I do not want to use that JavaScript code etc, and then I have to work with simple HTML etc, then suppose I am at here, and then I have to add no referrer and no referrer, no follow, no opener, no referrer at here directly. So for that I am at here like I am in Elementor, So at here it have option no follow, but it only affect to SEO, not for other. So I am using custom attribute at here and use pipe for separate, and at here relay no opener, no follow, no referral, and save, then check. Now at here no opener, no referrer is there. So you can manage one by one, but I do not want to manage one by one. I want to fix all website in a one. So I can use JavaScript code for it in place of I check one by one. So for that I use for that you can use JavaScript code for it. I will provide this snippet in GIST, so no worry. And I am using this code in our header section. You can also put at I am using this in footer section, and click save. Now check all link which have target blank now with relay no opener and no referrer. So by this method you do not want to fix one by one, you can manage all at a time, but it is really necessary for fix this issue. Reverse tab naming issue must be fixed. And be honest, have you ever used target blank without any relay attribute? Comment below with yes or oops, no judgment. If this is helping, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. It really motivate me to keep making these tutorial for you. So let's wrap it up. Always use relay no opener. Always use relay no opener. Whatever you are using, WordPress, Laravel, plain HTML or any JavaScript framework, but this tip apply to every website. Want more security tip or WordPress tricks? Subscribe now if you have not already. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.